Okay guys, here's the first look for Christmas. Got the red snowflake sweater on. My red ball earrings. I was gonna wait till I colored my hair, but I said if I wait, you'll leave me. So I just have my formal bun cover, my gray streaks in, and that's fine because I'm feeling festive and fancy. These are just white linen pants. Now remember guys, I'm in Florida, so for me, this is my Christmas attire. But for you, maybe it would be a black pant. You can, there is a thing called winter white with the heavier fabric that you could wear. But I love this, and linen is for Florida. These are just a simple pair, pocket. And now for my favorite, the sling back slippers. I swear these are Dorothy slippers. They are so sparkly. They in themselves make me feel Christmas. I'm gonna show you up front close. Wait, I'm gonna fall here. I wanna make sure you just can see how festive and beautiful these are. Look at the shine on that. They're absolutely beautiful. I'm in love with this shoe. Really, really pretty. So I'm gonna do another sweater. Let me put this shoe back on. We're gonna stay within the white because that's what I'll be wearing them all with. I'm not gonna change. I would wear that, all the sweaters I bought with these pants. These are nice, got a little elastic back, a little room. And yes, I am wearing my red underpants, okay? And these are brand new, I haven't worn them yet, and I'm glad they fit. Okay, all right, let's get another one. Okay guys, here is the second look. White on white with the red pumps again, the sling back sparkly. And I like this. This is a very elegant white on white look with the silver rhinestones. I kept the red earrings to pick up on the shoes, the same little red blingy sparkle. I think they pair nicely with the shoe. This is a simple but elegant look. I'm in love with this collar. I really, really like it. And nothing is perfect here. This is for your viewing. That's why, you know, it doesn't matter if you see through my pants. I want you to focus on the look, the pairing. Nothing's perfect. I'm not trying to be a fashion show here. And in the past, I had mentioned to you guys, they may not be for you, but for me, I am more comfortable without a bra. And I think that these are fine. You can't really tell. I mean, camera's going to give you a different view than it would personally in front of me, you know. But I'm not wearing a bra with the sweater. It's cozy, feels like a hug, rather than feeling all encumbered. I don't like that feeling. And these are just simple nipple tapes that you would wear in the flesh color. And then you just cut a square. They come in a roll. You could get them on Amazon. There's fancy ones, there's plain ones. But basically it's a thick nude colored tape that you would just cover your nipples with. If you were like me and you're just uncomfortable, and it's just a smoother feel. You don't see no straps. You don't see no straps in the back. See? So it looks nice and it feels wonderful. It's just an idea. It may not be for everyone, but it is for me, and I thought I'd share it in case you want to see. All right, let's do another one. Okay, guys, and here is the green. The hunter green. It's beautiful. And please forgive me, you gotta realize this is in real time, and with every shirt I pull over this bun, I have to keep zhuzhing my hair. So forgive me if I have frays and spraying around. It's really about the sweaters and how beautiful they look with the white and festive. I got my green sparkly sling backs. I have my white linen. I have the green hunter here, a little bit of bling, and then I got the red earrings again. See, for me, everything I'm showing you, I would wear as I'm wearing it. I wouldn't go crazy changing to a green earring and whatever have you. Whatever looks nice, however it goes. But I love red and green. It is the holiday. It is Christmas. And like I said, for you, it could be winter white pants. You know, they have corduroy now. I don't follow rules of color for season and anything like that. If I want to wear white in the winter, I will. As long as I'm warm and comfortable and I think I look good, that's all that matters. So no rules here for me for fashion. I'll wear whatever color, any season. Alrighty, so that's the green. Let's do another one. Okay, guys, here's probably my favorite, the black. The black with the stones. The shoes, everything's the same except the sweater. Now again, I like the way the red earrings pick up the red shoe. This is really quite pretty. And I have, you can't see it well, I don't want to turn too much because I don't have it on properly or perfectly. But I would wear the black rhinestone bun cover with this, and that will finish it off nicely. I just have lipstick on, nothing else. And I want you to see, now the white with the nipple covers wasn't the most appealing or first choice for anyone, even myself included. I would work on that or get a better one, different stripping, whatever have you. But this is the black, and you know, it's very forgiving because on one side I have the tape, on the other side I don't. And in fact, you can't see either one. You can't see through. Well, let's get away from the N word. You can't see through on either side. And you can't tell which side I'm taped and which side I'm not. I don't believe you can. That's why I love black too. A lot of times if I'm in a thick knit black, I'll go braless with nothing, no tapes or anything like that. For me, I'm so small that I really don't care, you know, my age. I don't care about gravity or any of that, you know, stuff. That doesn't pay any mind to me. Comfort is a luxury at this age, and I am truly comfortable braless. That's just me. I don't know what to tell you. If my pads and ideas help you out, and if you're like me, very small, it doesn't matter, you know? And that's that. Okay, I think we got another one. Let's go get it. It's sweater weather. Okay, guys, here's the charcoal gray with the silver rhinestone. I don't need to keep going back, but I do, just to show you the shoes and how pretty this looks together. Same red earrings. Now this you could change. I have some, and let's see if you want. Maybe I'll look if I could grab something quick in the closet. The rhinestones on here are really, really blingy. I think the red really picks up on the shoe nicely, but let me change the earring and see if you like that. Let's see, to give you an idea in case you don't want to wear red. Okay, let's see what I got. That's blingy. Let's see what I got that's blingy. Okay, let's do an easy one. Let's do an easy one. An easy one meaning I don't have any back on it. I don't have any back on this earring. What do you think of that? Something hanging a little longer. These have a tiny little ball at the bottom that would pick up on this if you wanted to see this, the difference. Now, with all the sweaters, I was just simply wearing a big ring. This is costume jewelry, but it's a nice big emerald stone that I thought looked fabulous. It's blue actually, but it looks nice with the green sweater. And then normally if I didn't wear that, I would put on my formal watch, the Michelle, which is heavier than I really like, but I would wear this with my engagement ring. Okay, and maybe go with the silver earring and the shoes. I'd let the shoes be the statement, so to speak. All right, I have one more, I think. Okay, guys, this is all about the winter white for sure. This is a knit, and it's kind of sheer here, see-through. I just realized that now. It's the first time I'm trying it on and looking at it, and there is no way around it. With this sweater, you either have to do the bra trick, which I'll show you how you pull it together, and you won't see it in a shoulder shirt like this. But I started wearing the nipple covers and pads, tape, nipple tape, whatever you want to call it, because of this sweater, because I love it, and I just don't want any shoulder things. And I hadn't known the trick of pulling your bra so that you don't see the strap, that you could wear a regular bra with this, a double-sided strap, and I'll show you. Once I practice it, I have to know it before I can do it. And here I just kept the same silver. I just added another costume in rhinestone clear, okay? And I have an earring that has a little bit of gold in it. You really can't see much, but just a little bit more something, something, because there's a little bit going on here, because look at all this flowery filigree and the stones. Love this sweater. It's like, again, this is a Florida Christmas look, okay? The only thing Christmassy really are the shoes, so let them be the statement. And if you want to put back Let's see with the red earrings. I think the red will look nicer, more together in the shoe line, in line with the shoe, because I'm simply wearing only, I'm sorry if you can't hear me, I'm simply only wearing the red shoes. So let's see. I believe this is gonna look even better. I'm the only woman alive who can't put on her earrings without a mirror too well. That's because I have 3 piercings. That's a fun fact that nobody knows. I have 3 piercings in each lobe. Yes, when I was 13, I thought that was cool. Okay, we're back to the red. Okay, I have my regular necklaces on. And I think that looks nice with the shoe, to have the sparkly matching red earring, because everything else is white. You know, and if you had a stone, I have a gold ring with a red ruby stone, but a nice little ruby bracelet if you want it to be really festive, or nothing. It's up to you. I wouldn't probably wear this watch. It's too heavy for this. This is all nice and delicate. So I let this garment, this piece of the outfit, dictate my earring, my hair. You know, you want your hair up and away and pulled. This is, you know, very pretty. I like this a lot. Again, with the red panties. Okay, it is Christmassy. All right, guys, I think that's it. I don't think I have any more. I might have one more, but I don't know if we want to duplicate the red. It's the same one as the gray. All right. Thank you for watching. As always, it's my pleasure. I enjoy doing this because then I get an idea of what I'm going to be wearing for the season, and I have a lot of fun with it. Now I know how things look and fit. And I'm so happy, delighted that you watched. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and I'll keep making content.